In 2026, the AI automation industry is at 11 billion. The AI SaaS market is about 115 billion, but there's a $300 billion industry that is currently being disrupted by AI right now that no one's talking about yet, the online education industry. But here's the craziest part. While thousands of businesses are fighting over the small scraps in these smaller industries, there's a small group of people that are starting to realize that this online education industry, combining it with AI, is literally making people tens of thousands to millions a year. And they're using AI to transform ordinary online education digital product businesses into highly profitable cash printing machines that run on semi-autopilot, with AI doing the vast majority of the work for them. And in this video, I'm going to show you what this opportunity is and why it's the greatest opportunity that you've never heard about, and how ordinary people like you and I can take advantage of this. I'll show you real examples of businesses, their products, and their websites that are making over 6 figures a month. And if you stick with me to the very end of the video, at about 67% of the way through, I'm actually going to show you one technique of how you can participate in this business without even needing to make your own product. If this is the first time that we're meeting, my name is Richard. It's great to meet you. And in the last 4 years, I've used this exact business model to make over $30 million online. And as of last year, use AI to automate about 80 to 90% of that business model. I actively work less than 2 hours a day. Right now, I'm currently traveling in Cape Town, South Africa. And just a couple weeks ago, I was even flown to New York to the WAP headquarters because I won their competition for the highest payment processing sold in a digital product competition. We're going to cover what exactly digital products are, and I got my notes here. I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly why these digital products are actually completely taking over and destroying any other opportunity like AI agencies, starting faceless channels, SaaS software, and most importantly, how you can get started with this business right now in as little as the next 72 hours. Let's address the big elephant in the room. Why exactly is online education such a big deal anyways? Well, to begin, the demand has absolutely exploded. People are desperate to learn everything online these days. I'm talking how to start online businesses, how to lose weight online, how to find a girlfriend, how to improve your marriage, how to improve your confidence, how to speed read, and how to play chess. If you just do one search on YouTube, you will literally find hundreds of videos in every single category imaginable on learning these skills. And finally, for the first time ever, the infrastructure to actually build this business finally exists. Payment processing to be able to take payment, course platforms to host your products, and AI tools that build the website for you. Basically, everything that you need to build this business is either crazy cheap or basically free to use. You don't need 100 grand and some massive production team in order to build this business. You just need a laptop, a phone, and a Wi-Fi connection. And third, and this changes everything, is recent updates and releases in AI technology in about the last 45 days has literally flipped everything on its head. Because what used to take teams over 10 to 15 employees can now be done literally just you, your computer, and AI. I'm talking content creation, video editing, writing copy, building out your own product, or finding a digital product to sell. These things are all done by AI now. So here's why digital products is the most simple, perfect business for anyone to get started with. It's a product that you build one time and you can literally sell an infinite amount of times. You see, different from selling a water bottle, a laptop, a t-shirt, you have to actually work with the manufacturer, probably in China, and then you have to order inventory and buy a couple hundred or a couple thousand units, which means you need to put your money up front. And by the way, there's no guarantee that you sell a single one of those units, because if you choose the wrong product and then you start selling it and it doesn't sell, well, you're basically stuck with a few thousand units and tens of thousands of product sitting in some warehouse somewhere. Versus with a digital product, you use AI to make this digital product one time. It could be a PDF, a video module, even this video that I'm recording for you. Technically, if I charge money for it, which I'm not because it's a free video, this is a digital product. And if you do these things and you package it one time, now this is a product that can be rolled, distributed, and sold to 10 people, 100 people. Doesn't matter if 1 million people buy it, it's the same product that gets instantly delivered to the email inbox. There's no shipping, there's no cost of goods, infinitely scalable. So there's a couple other forms of digital products that you can sell that are in the form of services. And I want to do a side-by-side comparison so you can really see what are the best ways to sell digital products. So first off, you have AI agencies. And AI agencies sound great in theory. Basically, you sell a $2,000 a month, $3,000 a month AI service for replacing their email agents, for setting up some type of chatbot inside of a business, to running the advertising or writing their emails. It could be any service to a business. But the problem with this is you're constantly going to be taking calls. Number one, you're taking sales calls because you have to take sales calls on Zoom, 45-minute, 1-hour sales calls to convince business owners to pay you $2,000, $3,000 a month, which is a lot of money. And then secondly, once you are actually working with them, they will expect for you to deliver and jump on calls every single week, send sending them Loom videos, screen recording videos, keeping them updated. So basically every client now becomes your boss. Right now you work a 9-to-5 job and you probably hate working a 9-to-5, which is why you're watching this video to make money online. How would you feel if you quit your 9-to-5 to then find a new boss, and now you land 5 new bosses and then eventually 10 new bosses? I mean, how stressful is that? They text you on the weekends, you miss one deadline, they drop you as a client. So basically you get fired. Slowly but surely, all of my agency friends eventually burn out, get so sick and tired of running an agency. The second form of an AI digital product is actually in the form of the software. So AI SaaS, software as a service. And the cool thing about this is software does actually have a multiple if you do end up selling it, but I'll tell you, the chances of you selling is slim to none. Listen, I'm here in Cape Town, South Africa. I just got out of the event, and you know Loom, L-O-O-N, they sold as $1 billion company to Atlassian, who is the owner of Trello, Asana, and a whole bunch of Omni-tool that you probably know about. Talking to one of the co-founders of Loom, he told me 1 in 1,000, 1 in 500 of businesses just like Loom actually end up selling. Most of these businesses, while they, look sexy on paper, chances are you're gonna have to raise millions and millions and work a decade of your life to build and sell a company. I don't know about you, but I want a lifestyle, and I want freedom, and I want the ability to travel the world, and chances are if you want that as well, building a software company just isn't going to be the path for you. And that takes me to the third way of selling digital products. And this is the different game. This is the opportunity that I believe moving into 2026-27 will change the game completely, because you don't manage any clients. The product does the teaching itself, not you. You don't have to jump on hour-long calls, because the thing is, you don't have to sell this product via any type of call. And you don't have to do any of the selling, because we can use AI websites and marketing done by AI and content made by AI to do the heavy lifting and the selling for us. And the funniest thing is that this market is a $300 billion market. And so while everyone else is fighting over these 11 billion scraps and starting AI agencies or trying to build their own technology company, you can just go into the biggest ocean, the biggest market, with the hungriest buyers that want to buy from you. And if you're wondering what type of digital products actually sell, one of my clients here, Lucas, was a 19-year-old college student when he first started his business, and he made a digital product on how to play a video game better. He priced it at $600 and he did over 31 grand his first 2 months in. Or Lila, who was balancing this with a 9-to-5 job, and she was a little camera shy, so she didn't want to show her face. She did this completely faceless, which, by the way, hang with me for a few more minutes and I'll show you exactly how she did that. Sold a digital product on how to get started with building an Instagram account. Just some beginner how-to guide on getting started on social media. She did over 12 grand in 12 weeks selling digital products. I mean, there was even recently a lady that made over $3 million selling a digital product, teaching people how to use Excel spreadsheets. Yes, Excel spreadsheets. And the thing is, none of these people were geniuses. They just simply found a problem that other people have, because chances are it was a problem that they had. They packaged the product that solved that problem, and that's why they made millions doing so. And so I want to share with you a few simple AI tools, most of them free and some of them very affordable, that you can get started with right now today to get your digital product business off the ground, launched, and making sales right away. So let's start with the first one. It's going to be ChatGPT or Claude. Now, when it comes to ChatGPT or Claude, the most important thing here is it depends on the specificity of your prompting. So if you write something like, write me a script on building a digital product to lose 40 pounds of weight, you do not have the specificity of your avatar. The problem with that is because your prompt is not specific enough, it's not going to give you the quality of response. So you have one of two options. The first one is you can get hyper targeted in the detail that you give, and the more details that you give, the better it is. So for example, write me a 7-page PDF teaching specifically for men aged 40 to 50 years old that are dads with kids how to lose 10 pounds of weight with only 3 workouts a week that they can do from home. Did you see how specific that is? If you were to do that and then you hit enter, it is going to give you so much more of a quality answer. And the second thing that you can do is you can actually go to an AI product builder. Like for example, Allen AI. This is a software that will actually make you a digital product in 2 minutes or less with all the prompting already factored in, while you could just tell it basically your niche, the product name, and what is the outcome that you want it to make, and it'll make you a digital product. Now, once you have a digital product, the most important part that you actually need is traffic, because traffic is interested buyers, people that are actually interested in buying your product. Now, here's what you don't have to do. You shouldn't be spending any money on advertising until you get to at least $20,000 to $30,000 a month consistently, because ads is simply just putting an organic piece of content and putting ad spend on it by paying a social media platform. But before you do that, you need actual validation. Validation comes in the form of posting organic content. So what I would recommend you do is post 7 to 15 second videos on platforms like Instagram and TikTok short form content to just get faster testing. I wouldn't start with YouTube yet. Maybe in the future you want to build a YouTube channel, but as of right now, I wouldn't do that because YouTube videos do take significantly more time. There's editing involved, you have to find the right concept, and also building an audience on YouTube does take a few months to do. But with Instagram, I'm seeing people like Kayla, a full-time nurse with 2 kids. One of my clients, did over 2 million views in her first couple of weeks, and it came from one 7-second video. The thing is, this video did over a few thousand comments and made her over 5,000 in sales, literally from this one video, and it's literally just her drinking a cup of coffee. Crazy, right? So the way that you do that is this. I want you to go ahead and go to a content viral finding tool. And what this tool will do is you can copy an Instagram of anyone else that you see online, put their Instagram profile inside of the search, and then when you hit search, it will scan that Instagram account for the most viral content. Now, this is a technique I call the 5x5 strategy. Find 5 Instagram accounts and 5 of the most viral posts of those accounts. And if you multiply that, that's 25 posts. If you just simply model after those 25 posts and make 1 video per day, you basically have the next 25 days worth of content posting 1 video a day. Now, the key here is the hook of the original video that is viral that you're modeling after. You want to look at the hook and think, why exactly is that video going viral? Is it the words that she's saying? Is it the image? Is it the background? Is it the editing or the music that is overlaid on top of the video? Think and really analyze what makes this video viral, and then don't copy it because obviously it's the original work. I want you to model after. Make slight tweaks. A 5% tweak there, maybe change the niche. Maybe you found something in the business niche, but you sell a fitness product and apply it in the fitness niche. Maybe you found something super viral in the dating relationships niche, which my team and I, we do all the time. And it's kind of funny. It's a meme relationship content. And then we go and we pivot that and we use it in our business niche because I'm in the business niche. The most important thing here is you M&M, model and modify the content. And that is how you end up making content that goes viral, has the originality of your voice, but most importantly, you are taking inspiration from something that is already proven to work. And so now once you figure out how to get traffic, you need a website. And the old way of building a website is to use a platform that's a drag and drop, go high level, ClickFunnels, and listen, these are all great platforms. The problem is, if you're just getting started, you probably don't want to waste the next 4 hours of your life learning how to click buttons and drag things around and set up all the automations in order to make your website working. So what I would honestly do is to use an AI website builder, where you can basically just describe in 1 sentence or less exactly what you want your website to look like, choose your profile photo, and in 1 click of a button, your website is made in less than 30 to 60 seconds. My favorite version of this is actually Allen AI, because you can choose your product, upload your photo, choose your favorite colors. You will literally have a website up and running in less than 30 seconds. If you want to get started, I'll leave a link below so you can get instant access to it. And I know a lot of you guys are thinking, but Richard, I don't have my own product and I don't really want to make my own product, because no matter what I tell you, that you have something within your knowledge that you can package into a digital product. No matter what, there's just some people that just have the objection in their mind that they're not an expert. So you know what? You don't have to be an expert, because there have been people that have been doing this for the last 10 years and you just didn't know about, that do something called product arbitrage, which is where they find a digital product that companies have already made for them. And all they do is they find companies that already have viral trending products, and then they just simply promote those instead of making their own. And the funny thing is, these companies will pay you 50, 60, and I even know a few companies that pay up to 85% commissions on these products. Take, for example, this is a productivity course. It's $197 with $200. It pays 90% commission. So basically the math works out to $177 per sale. If you do that, and let's say you make 1 video using AI to make that video and it gets 10,000 views, 1% of people click on the video, that's 100 people that click on the video, and then let's say 3% of the people that click end up buying. So that's 3 sales. 3 sales of a $200 product is going to be $600 in sales, right? But remember, you get 90% of that. That's $531 that you made in pure profit from posting 1 viral video. Now, does every video that you post go viral? Absolutely not. I would say only 1 out of 5, 1 out of 10 videos go viral. But the thing is, it's a 7-second video that basically costs you nothing to make. You use AI to make the video. If you don't want to show your face, you don't have to, because AI will literally make a video of an avatar or faceless video for you. And you can take as many shots on calendar as possible, because at the end of the day, the only thing that you're using is you're using your time and your energy to learn a skill to make these videos. This is exactly how Priscilla, a mom with 2 kids, one of my mentees, was able to do 21,000 in her second month, because she really learned the power of how to use short 7 to 14 second videos to send her endless amounts of customers that are interested in buying her products.
Last month, which was my second month, I made like 20,400 something. And I'm like, I'm making 30K this month.
And if you're wondering, well, Richard, isn't this saturated? Is a $300 billion industry that is growing 30% year over year? You know what that means, right? If the market grows by 30% year over year, it means likely your business is also going to grow by 30% year over year. There's that famous line that goes, a rising tide lifts all ships. And that's exactly what this industry is. Online education is only getting bigger and bigger. And if you just choose and aim in the right direction, you end up landing on the right spot. Your business will grow just because the market gets bigger, not because you get better. So here's the truth. In 12 months, one of two things will happen. One, you either continually watch YouTube videos in mental masturbation, still looking over the next perfect opportunity, and you probably would have missed this one. And the unfortunate thing is the right time will never come. Because at the end of the day, people don't have time, they make time. And they make time for the things that matter the most to them. And the second option that you could have is 12 months from now, you could be running your own AI arbitrage business. It could be making 500 a day, 1,000 a day. It could be making significantly more than that, like it does for my top students and I. And the thing is, that choice is entirely up to you. And if you want to know exactly how to go from zero to your first 10 grand a month with this business, I actually put together a full masterclass training here on YouTube. Check it out right here. So tap on that and I'll see you on the other side.